back. It has been a long time, and I'm sorry it's kind of laggy a little bit. Alright, today we're playing NBA Jam, so if you guys have enough money to buy it, it costs like $7, I think. I don't know, so just go check that out in the App Store or the Google Play Store. So I'm going to play NBA Jam. Alright. I'm gonna do All-Star mode. I'll be the Warriors. And I like Stephen Curry. So what have you guys been doing these past few months?
Tonight's matchup is the Golden State Warriors.
Alright, here we go.
Oklahoma City Thunder. OKC wins the tip. Yes.
Oh, snap, he jumped on me. Alright.
Pops it up. Pitches. Off for grabs. Covered like a rug on your floor.
Man, this is really hard. What makes it funny is you get to push people down without getting fouled. And they jump so high when they're on fire. If you hit 3 shots in a row. I'm gonna go move this over here. Alright. I'm only gonna play 1 quarter because I don't think I can record that long. So I'll try to win this quarter. Look at that. There's no way. It's crazy. If you guys didn't hear, that was my little brother in the background. There's that 3. Alright, there's 1 minute left. That's 3, that's mates. Bang. Oh! Oh, wow. Sorry if this picture is dark. Oh my gosh. Oh! Bang. No! If I hit this 3-pointer, I can at least tie the quarter up. I think I'm gonna get pushed to the ground. Oh, he pushed me. I was about to catch it. Alright, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I make 2 videos every 2 days. Well, actually, no, video every day. Yeah. And I made a new channel called Frankentwankster Gaming. I just do gaming on it. I haven't really did any videos on it. So, if you guys haven't, go subscribe to that and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright.